What's up everybody, my name is JR, aka the Sinister Camaro, and welcome to another video. Now you've seen a couple of these videos on our channel before, but I figured we got a new truck that wants to get it. So my mom's F-350 Super Duty really needs some wiper blades, so unfortunately won't be able to do a before and after kind of effect. So check out other videos for that because the rubber's missing out of these stock ones. I don't want to scratch the windshield, so let's try to avoid that. But we're gonna be installing these RainX Latitude wiper blades. So I apologize in advance if there's any wind in this video. I apologize, we're basically out in the open and it's a very windy day today, but I wanted to get these knocked out for my mom. So RainX Latitude, we're gonna do the 22-inch RainX Latitude wiper blades on both sides of the Super Duty. This should cover the large and small J-hook version. So if you have either one of these, this guide should help you with it. I'm gonna do my best I can filming this by myself because unfortunately, wife is watching the kids. We just had our baby boy. She's out there taking care of the kids while I do some filming for you guys. So sit back, relax, enjoy. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down in the comments below. We're not sponsored by RainX in any way. It's just a product that we enjoy and we put it on pretty much all of our cars. And mom really likes it on her car, which you've seen in another video before with the Mazda. So now we're gonna hook her up with some for her dually right here. So very cheap as far as wiper blades go. You're a little more premium, about 20-30 bucks is what you're gonna spend. I'll leave a link in the description below if you wanna get a set for yourself. But we're gonna go ahead and get started and hopefully this will be a very easy process for you. All right, so to get started, you're gonna have to uninstall the old blades, which that's what we have here. If you look under here, you'll see this little guy right here. We've got a nice little easy notch. I don't know if you can read that on camera or not, but it says release. So what we're gonna do is get this little tab and push it up. So just so you can see this off the truck, see what I'm working with, you see this little notch right here. That's the clip that you wanna push in right there, and then you pull down the strip. So it'll be sitting just like that. You push that down and with your other hand, pull it down and it should slide off just like that. Very simple, very easy. It's got a little guide on it. I'm gonna do this with one hand or try to. We got a release button right here. So you push that in and you push the rest of the contraption down. All right, so we got this one off. You're gonna have to, since it's been on here for a long time, I had to use a little extra string for it, but we got it off. There we go. Old blades are off. Now again, F-350 Super Duty 22s, they'll be on both sides. So we got a couple of 22s here. This is how it comes directly out of the box. You have your wiper with your instructions. This is a universal fitting. Some parts you need, some parts you don't. So we'll get into that in just a second. But just make sure when you put these on before use, you remove this protective cover, as it states clearly right there. But it's just a piece of plastic, so I don't want you scratching up your windshield. And here's how it looks on the top. And what basically, if I remember correctly, what we're gonna do is this little flip tab right here. We're just gonna pop that open and it should slide directly into here and pop right on. All right, so once you have the little pop tab open right here, this little wedge that's at the top here, that's where your hook's gonna slide into. So go ahead up under here, put it in there, slide it until it clicks. All right, slide it until it clicks. You might have to pull the bottom out just a little bit. But there we go, nice. It's nice and seated. But once you have it all the way in, as long as you can clip your little top piece here, you should be fine. Just make sure it's seated all the way in, snap it. There we go, installed. All right, again with one hand, we're gonna pop this tab open. Whew, that hurts sometimes. Pop that open. You want that hook to slide in that way with your tabs at the top. Trying to concentrate and work the camera at the same time. This is not my strong suit. All right, it clicked in, you heard it. Flip this over, and once this clicks in, like that, you're good to go. So you can move it, jiggle it, whatever you need, but that's all she wrote. And to ensure it works like it's intended to, we want to read that yellow line at the bottom that says, for optimal water repelling results, ensure windshield is clean and dry. Turn on wiper blades and wipe dry at the medium speed for 2 to 3 minutes. And then spray washer fluid briefly and water repellency is activated. So make sure to do that before you actually fully use it. So we'll go ahead and remove those pieces of plastic on the blades and then we'll go through this process. I'm gonna remove these little yellow plastic bits. We're not Dodge Challengers or Chargers, so we're not gonna leave them on our cars, of course, because it does no purpose, doesn't even look good. So we're gonna take this, and either end, you're gonna pull along the wiper blade, and it's supposed to just slide right off. Super, super easy, super simple. Do the same thing up here. Boom. Now we need to clean the windshield and then do our 2 to 3 minutes of running it dry. So when you clean the windshield, don't worry about leaving streaks or anything. It's pretty much gonna take care of itself anyway. You really wanna maximize it for longevity. Make sure not to peel your wiper blades off the windshield when it's really cold. As you can see, they have a bunch of rubber to work with. So you really don't wanna start ripping that and cause any issues. Also, if you wanna protect it in the summer, springtime, you can get RainX repellent windshield washer fluid, which is like $2-3 at like Walmart. You can keep in your windshield washer fluid, you just spray on it and it'll reactivate it and everything like that. So mine's been going strong for a couple years. This is what I've been doing and I've had no issues with mine. Of course, you want a nice flat surface. If you have like windshield tint or like windshield banners like we do in other cars, of course, it wants a nice flat surface for those wiper blades to kind of wipe back and forth. But if you do that, it might have like, it might jump a little bit on stuff like that. So if it's inside the car, you don't have to worry about it. If it's a tinted on the outside or a banner, you might have issues with that. We're gonna go ahead and turn this on for about 2-3 minutes, let it wipe it dry, and then we'll activate it with some windshield washer repellent, and then we'll see if it worked or not. All right, so this is what I call medium speed. I got my timer going for a good 3 minutes. So we're gonna let that run for 3 minutes. We'll be right back. All right, so we've been running that for 3 minutes. It just ran out. Now we gotta put some windshield washer fluid on there. Look at that. That's some nice clean window right there. Yes, sir. Nice, quiet, clean. Big old open windshield. Works like a charm. And you know how I told you earlier, not to worry about the streaks that come out. Looks pretty good. All of the water spots that you can see on the windshield are inside the windshield, not on the outside. But here's what it looks like before and after. So I'd say it works pretty darn good. All right, and with that being said, that is it for this video. Very simple, quick, easy video for you guys. Let me know in the comments below, do you use these kind of wiper blades? What do you use? Hopefully we'll get another car that has something different than the small and large J-hooks that we've been working on, but I think this is for a good little, nice little Christmas gift or nice little gift to somebody who really needs some wiper blades. Make sure to check up on that so you can see in the rain. If you need anything else, make sure to subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below if you have any questions, and I'll get back to you as soon as I possibly can. So thank you for joining me, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Don't forget, and always remember, stay sinister. Scratch the windshield, so let's try to avoid that. But we're gonna be installing these RainX Latitude wiper blades. Oh my goodness. Stupid wind.
Perfect.